Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting this pop-up that says unable to install a certain application because it cannot verify the app integrity. Now, essentially why this happens, it's not anything crazy, but typically this may mean one of two things. One, all you have to do is just verify the app within your specific, like settings panel. Or two, the application that you just installed, the license or, the certification of that application has now gone away. So typically what happens with some of these apps is that the application itself is built off a certification if it's like an emulator or if it's any type of application like that. So if you're in this type of situation, all you really have to do is wait until the specific application gets certified again, and you'll pretty much have to go ahead and reinstall that application. So it's not anything super crazy, but the first thing I'd recommend doing in this specific case is to make your way over to your settings panel. So you come into settings here, you want to scroll down until you see general, which is right here. And at this point, all you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see a thing that says either profiles and device management or VPN and device management, whatever it is. You want to go and click on it, and you will most likely see your VPN connection or something up here, but then you'll start to see some other things populate here. You'll see, other, applications. Sometimes there's some random names like so-and-so corporation or something. All you want to do is click on that specific application, and you'll get into another panel, and it'll say trust whatever. You want to go ahead and click trust whatever. You want to click trust again, and that's really all you'll have to do to go ahead and pretty much fix this specific error message. But again, if you're opening up some random applications and you're still getting this random error, again, there's really not much you can do. You pretty much just have to wait it out until they get certified again, and you pretty much just go ahead and reinstall the application that way. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.